Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link bank account on Binance. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Binance account, and once you're logged into your account, on the home page you have to tap on bank transfer, which is right at the bottom. And after you tap on bank transfer, you'll have this kind of interface. So what you need to do is you have to go through all of these terms and conditions and then tap on continue. And then as you tap on continue, on the other interface you'll be directed to list of options. So right over here, what you need to do is you have to tap on link with account number, which is right at the bottom. So once again, there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue. So once you're on this page, you have to enter the routine number, and after you're done entering the number, tap on continue. So after that, you have to enter the account number of the bank that you want to link it on your Binance, and once you're done entering the account number, tap on continue. So once you're on this page, you have to select the account type. So you have two different options, so then select it accordingly and then tap on continue once again. So on this page, you have to enter the full name that is associated with your bank account, and make sure to enter the correct one and then tap on continue. And once you're done providing all of the information, within 2 to 3 days you'll receive a small deposit, which means a verification. And as soon as you receive the deposit, what you have to do is you have to enter the deposit number right on this page, and after that you'll successfully link your bank account to your Binance. So that is how you can add or link bank account on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.